Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some Norfolk stems. These are faux, but they look so real. They come a little smooshed. They have a little bit of a smell to them when you get them. It's not horrible, but I know that really bothers some people. All you need to do is take these out, maybe put them all in a vase, set them outside, and the smell goes away, I would say within an hour. It's really not a strong smell. You can bend these because they have metal in the stems, and you can sculpt them however you so choose. You get all of these. You get so many. So we can put these in planters, in vases. You could even put these behind mirrors. So let's put these out and see what they look like. These Norfolk Real Touch pine stems are great. You get 12 of them, and they are just perfect for all of your decorating needs. They're so versatile. You have that flexible, bendable branch structure, and then the stems are wrapped with brown, and so they look so realistic. They are so lush. And I love that they are maintenance free. You don't have to water these. You don't have to worry about keeping them in or out of the sun. I love that you can just drape these over your mantle. You could use these for a centerpiece on your table. They are absolutely stunning. Of course, I love these for outside since we have so many deer here. And I know that people say that evergreens are deer proof. They are not, but these are. No care and beautiful. Definitely check these out.